our first ride. Here's the interactive ghost town at Knott's Berry Farm, where you can go on a quest and do a ton of new activities. The interactive ghost town runs until September 4th, so you got about 2 weeks to check it out. As you can see, in front of us is a blacksmith, and he's inside of his shop making horseshoes. This guy's in jail. There's a sheriff. Here's the hotel. So we're on our way to the lively stables to check out the horses and donkeys, but check out behind us. There's some people on the quest and they make them carry boxes to the mailman. Ooh, real horses. Oh, okay, hello.
Oh, you guys can pet him if you like. You can take a photo with him. Yeah, you can pet just take a photo with him.
More of the interactive zone, there was a town meeting at the town hall for you to come back at 4:30 to vote. Second ride of the day is the Pony Express. There's a new construction area for the new 2018 Hang Time. Hang Time will be the only dive coaster on the West Coast. It will have a 96-degree drop and it'll be the steepest drop in California. It'll also have a 5-degree defying inversions. That is a crazy looking drop. Ride at Knott's Berry Farm. It's 6 feet tall and it opened in April, and we were here last time a month before they opened in March. And we're about to ride it because we gotta conquer everything, every ride. Okay, so we went on the Soul Spin and it was definitely not as intense as I thought, and I thought I'd do a 360, but it just goes like back and forth repeatedly. When the teacups are more intense than the stick, the Soul Spin, and someone had an accident on the Mexican cups. Woo, Snoopy World! Oh look, a calm little train ride. But it was an interactive bandit train steering ride. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, click down below to subscribe to my channel. Thanks!